Hey, hey. Tiny.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a little bit different and it is another cleaning motivation video. I did one of these ages ago, but basically I'm just going to show you guys how I clean the kitchen. So first things first, I'm just filling the dishwasher. The dishes were already in there, I just had to like put the powder stuff in, and because we had so many dishes I had to wash some as well. Okay, so now that the dishes are all done, I'm just grabbing what's left of this Greens multi-purpose spray and wipe, and I just got this from Aldi, so it's super inexpensive. But yeah, I'm just going ahead and wiping down the benches. I find that this spray is absolutely perfect for an everyday use type thing, and it has a nice little clean scent to it as well, so it's nice. Then I don't even know how we gather so much stuff on the bench, but I'm just going through and sorting it and putting it away and tidying that all up. Now I'm just lighting an incense because I'm so obsessed with our house smelling good, so that's why there's so many air fresheners and incense and stuff around. Now this is pretty much a quick overview of like what I would be normally happy with, but today I decided that I wanted to try and clean like the grout between the tiles. Given this is a bit of an older house and like some of it is chipped away and stuff, I still thought I would give it a go and clean it. As you can see, the tiling and the flooring is really not in the best condition, but this is what we have to deal with at the moment, so we're making do. This is what it looked like after I'd done this little kitchen area. Then I just went ahead and filled up a little bucket to mop that up. Now, I know this is probably the most ratchet thing, but we don't have a mop at the moment. We've left it in the roof of the house when Dang was cleaning out there. So I'm just going to be using a towel. So do not judge me. It did the same thing, you guys. I cleaned it up and made it look nice and shiny. And I'm not sure what happened, but I actually picked up the towel and showed you guys, but it was covered in dirt. So this way did get a lot of dirt up from the grout, so I was impressed by how much it picked up. Also, because we have a toddler, our cupboards get very, very dirty and get handprints on them, so I just thought I would quickly wipe them down, and for some reason I decided to skip the oven, which is fine. The next thing that's been bugging me is the top of our fridge. Just like the bench, it just gets a whole bunch of crap just like up there. So I was like, okay, I'm going to sort this out and make it look a bit more presentable. And yeah, that was pretty much me cleaning the kitchen. They were all the basic things, and I was pretty happy with how it turned out at the end as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you leave us a comment and subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to see more cleaning videos, let me know and I will start posting them a bit more regular. If not, don't worry, we'll be back with normal videos next week. Bye you guys.